Here's a free and easy method to make the text in a PDF searchable and to be able to copy and paste the text. This process is also known as OCR, Optical Character Recognition. This is required in order to be able to work with PDFs that are image files, for example, documents that have been scanned. First, open the PDF you want to make searchable. You can open it with whichever PDF reader you have. Here, I am using my Firefox browser to open the PDF. Then go to the Print option and in the printer selection choose Send to OneNote or OneNote. This will essentially create a virtual printout of your PDF within OneNote. Once the PDF is printed into OneNote, it will appear as an image on a OneNote page. Right-click on the image of the PDF page. Go to Make Text in Image Searchable and ensure the language you want to search is selected. Now, if we want to search the PDF, we can just press the Control key and the letter F at the same time and enter the search term we are looking for. And it will show us all instances in the document where that term is found. If we want to copy the text in the PDF, right-click on the document and either select Copy Text from this page of printout or Copy Text from all pages of printout. You can now paste it where you want the text. I'm going to paste it into this Microsoft Word file. Right-click, go to Paste Options, and go the first option, Keep Source Formatting, and press it. This ensures that the pasted text maintains the same formatting and structure as in the PDF you copied it from. Note that the accuracy of the OCR depends on the quality of the original PDF.